Dr. Bijoykumar Das is a renowned space scientist, technocrat, and a research innovation leader from Jagannath Puri, Orissa, India. He was in the United States for nearly 5 decades. Dr. Das is also a scholar of Indian scriptures and is renowned for his spiritual discourses on Shrimad Bhagwat Geeta.
मामकः एव पांडवा मामकः एव पुत्रा समवेता जुजुत्सवः कुरुक्षेत्रे पांडवः किंग अकुर्वत्. We are so powerful. Today look at this situation. Russia, Japan, China, United States, Australia. If they all unite, can India fight and get the victory? Same thing Arjuna is asking. Prabhu, kathang bhishmang ahang sankhe drunang cha madhusudana ishuvi pratijochami pujaryo arisudana. ये भीष्म द्रोण के सामने हमें रथ को रख लिया. यू हैव पुट माय रथ in front of Bhishma and Drona. If you would have put it in front of Kurus, other Kurus, I would have finished them. In one day, Mahabharata war would have been over. You kept it in front of Bhishma and Drona, who are aparajit, nobody can win them. They could defeat Lord Shiva, and you are telling, I will defeat them? The solution Yoga Shastra has given how to defeat even the United States, even anybody in the world, because we must be militarily strong, not with military weapon, but, my friends, the simple word always you'll be hearing from Dr. Vishwanath Karad, knowledge is power. Jnana Agni, Jnana is power, not military strength, not military things. One little bomb could stop the world war. One little bomb, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Next day, if you proceed 1 inch, Osaka and Tokyo will not be in the world map. This is India's strength. This is what India was. And this is what India should be. We will not fight. We will not kill. We will not invade, but nobody will finger at us. And that is what we started doing. You know, we can launch 100 satellites in different orbits in one rocket. We can destroy 100 cities at a time from above the gravity. This is the strength India is developing. Do you know, in the second sloka of Bhagavad Gita, they say, Društva tu pandavanekang vyudhang duryodhanah tada acharyang upasangamya raja vachanang abrabit pasya etan panduputranang acharyang mahating chamam vyudhang drupadaputrena tava shishyena dhimata. Here again knowledge. Hey Gurudev, when he saw Vyudha is a Sanskrit word, Vyuha is a Sanskrit word. Udham is called Vyudha. Udham means the shield, the odke. Shield. Vishay is shield. He is telling, how can my missiles go and attack them, penetrate them, because they are already shielded. That sort of technology we had. Today, Boeing has taken and made a patent on this force field around the aircraft. Technology was there. Technology is here today. Science is here today and yesterday. We have to understand, we have to implement. Go to little further up. What God is telling in Bhagavad Gita in the 3rd and 4th and 5th and 6th slokas. He is not telling story. Duryodhan, who is the enemy, he is telling everything. Enemy is describing what is the strength of dharma, what is the strength of supporter of dharma. Pandavas, telling whom? His own teacher, Dronacharya. What he is telling? Atra Sura Maheshwasa, Bhimarjuna Samajudhi. Duryodhana is telling. Atra Swara Maheshwasa, Bhimarjuna Samajudhi. Yudhana Viratascha Satya Kishcha Aparajita. Drushtaketu Chekitana Kasirajasya Virjavan. Purujit Kunti Bhojascha Saivascha Narapungavaha. Yudhama Nishcha Vikranta Utamojarsa Virjavan. सौभद्रो द्रौपदेय सर्वैव महारथा। हे गुरुदेव, मैं आपका शिष्य हूँ, वो भी आपके शिष्य हैं, आपने क्या बना दिए? I am giving you each trace, each word of my dearest friend and brother. He was always telling you throughout his lifetime, value best education. Always you will hear his word, we must have human values first, then education. Education is nothing. Education should not be for living. Education should be for life. This was his word for last 15 years I am hearing. Value-based education, human values, human virtues. And that is, God is telling everywhere to Arjun, Sarva dharman parityajya mang ekam saranam braja aham tva sarva papebhya mukshayishami ma sucha. What does it mean? Pitru dharma, Hindu dharma, Christian dharma, Islam dharma, what is this dharma? Bebakuf, leave everything, there is no dharma. And the whole war was done with adharma. In those languages, said there is only one dharma, that is called Manav Dharma, humanity. You are a Manav, you must be Manav. That is why he wanted that Vishwa Shanti can be established when everybody realizes they are Manav. They are not Christians, they are not Islam, they are not Jews. They are Manav first. If they realize that, then Vishwa Shanti will automatically come. Because they will do Manav Dharma. So here he says, I was your student, they are your student, you made them Aparajit, Brahmachari, Virjavan, Narapungava, Narasreshta, all the best human qualities you have made. And we are all servants, slaves. You made us slaves, we are taking jobs. Mat arthe takta jivitaha. मेरे लिए मरने के लिए सब आए हैं, मैंने सबको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया है, ये क्या है? You see, those days also he said, Atmanirbhar and human virtues and human values, Gurukul education from fourth slok to sixth slok. Then he is explaining, I am telling you what we are. Asmakam tu visishtaji, tannibodha tujottama. Hey Brahman, मेरे लिए मरने के लिए सब आए हैं, मैं एक घर घर से लेके आया हूँ क्योंकि मैं उनको एम्प्लॉय किया है. दे आर माई स्लेव्स. इस टाइप के एजुकेशन चाहिए हमें.